welcome back to my channel. Anyways, I'm at the nutrition club right now, and you know, today's a new day, a new start, so just be positive, work hard, and just be a nice person, and let the Holy Spirit, let the leadership of the Holy Spirit, follow the leadership of the Holy Spirit. Okay, so yeah, basically I'm here with my sister Pei. You guys, if you guys know me, she's always here with me. So that's her. And yeah, look at her, she's following me.
I think you were dancing and
So let's do this. What can we do? So yeah, I have to concentrate, I have to work hard, because when I get a bit crazy, I get to lose everything. Like, I get to lose control, like how to attend to people and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna calm down a little bit, and let's do this then. Who came by? That's Daniel right there, but I'm talking about this one here. You're eating? Oh, I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm so sorry.
Dígale, ¿sabes qué?
But what?
Apparently, the girl doesn't have any men.
I do a little bit, not a lot, but I know I have some. Am I even recording? Oh, I am. Oh my god. Okay, well, let's go to the next location. I'm just gonna vlog this beautiful thing. Oh, birds, don't leave me. Come on, birds. They all left. They all left. They're right here. Oh, he left too. Man, I thought I had a chance, you know. Let me go back in my car. Okay guys, I'll see you later. Right now we're at Food Lion. Piola, I think you have to go here if you want to get my vlog.
headed to Food Lion. We're heading, we're not at Food Lion.
Oh. Smart little girl. She's my sister.
Ya. Sí, oh, de veras, ¿verdad?
That's my mom there.
Sí, yo sé, sí es cierto.
Yeah, it is hot.
Ah, pero pues no te
Yeah, and
encontré
I'm wearing
antes.
this black thing. It's so hot.
I wear flip-flops.
Yeah. Oh, here we are. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're here. Oh, jeez. The weird thing about vlogging is that once you enter a place and they look at you, they all start staring at you, and I'm just like,
Sometimes they don't even,
oh.
sometimes they don't even allow you to record here because
It's a phone though. Like, I don't think they would say anything, but if it was like a camera. See? Come on, Mom. Okay, so I think she's getting something. Well, I'm going to be looking at the cleanser area because my cleanser ran out. And my cleanser.
What's that? Oh.
And I have to find a new one, and I have a specific kind. I have to order mine, but right now I need one. Like right away. I can't sleep with a dirty face.
Look at all these while we're here now.
Can't find one. Which one should I? Am I even in the right section? Yeah. Oh, skincare right here. I'm gonna put you right here.
Okay, when they said skincare, I think they were talking about makeup. But they could talk about
They have it. They have them like in a box. Like if I'm gonna steal it.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, we're in this broken world. Okay, let me. Look. I want the.
Because this is on commercials. This is on commercials. I don't know what these are. Oil-free acne wash, acne stress control, clear pore, deep clean cream cleanser, deep clean, I don't know what that says, foaming scrub, oil-free acne wash, pink grapefruit foaming scrub, clears breakouts.
They don't have the one I want, and I don't think my mom wants to go. Yeah, and my mom, she does. I know she's not gonna want. I think I'll just get this. Or should I get the oil-free acne wash?
Which one? Oh,
That
this one? This is
Pink one.
this has been on commercials. I'm not sure if it works or not. I mean, I'm not
Should I get this one? And then there's like the acne stress control, which is something that I have a lot.
You should.
It's not gonna manage my stress level.
Okay.
Wait, which one should I get though? Ooh.
I think you should get this for. Oh well, they're both scrubs.
You wouldn't have to. Decide it. Which one should I get? This one or that one?
I wish it was a live stream.
I'll
Do you
think
think-
about it.
Do you think we should like ask Mama something?
So I decided to get this one. I don't know. I just wanted
We're in the.
something.
Oh, good.
Oh. Put it here. Still not going. Gummies. I don't think my teeth want that.
Yeah, it's good for none of us.
Look at this. Whoa. Organized. Look at this colorful place. Like this is what I like about it.
This is a grapefruit.
Like I like seeing all the beautiful colors and like how organized it is. It's just I don't know.
By the time you know it,
I like it. This is why I like coming to the food and fruit areas. I don't know. It's just weird, typical Yami. Wow, mom. Bye. Just kidding.
can I vlog for you?
Vlog.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm a little bit shorter than her. I am shorter.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stay short for the rest of my life. I don't want that to happen. Yami's just like, I don't know what to do. Okay, let's go head it on to the veggies. Come on, come on, come on. Out of one veggie, which one would you choose to eat all day? Like you can eat it with different types of food. Like you can like mix it with food. Like what type of veggie?
Oh, broccoli. Like I love broccoli. Like
I would make broccoli soup.
I love this thing.
It's like a little mini tree.
It's a mini tree. Why are you looking at me? Just kidding. I mean, I have to get used to this thing. But look at all the greens.
thought that was
Oh, this is beautiful.
I thought it was.
Oh, there has to be that one thing. The carrots.
I would choose carrot. I mean, no, I would choose broccoli as well because broccoli you can make soup with it. You know.
Oh, yeah. You're so right.
When I smile, my gum hurts. Like right here.
My mom is talking on the phone. I don't want to interrupt her. But my mom makes this really good broccoli creamy soup. Oh my god, it's so good. It's so. Oh, she's on the floor. Let's see. Wait, I was gonna say something. Hey.
Yes.
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 Okay, what's your everyday advice?
Ya, ¿nos miran en Facebook?
Be a Fruit Loop in a bowl of Cheerios.
Yeah.
You know, you
I like that. When she told me that, I was like, I'm gonna, be a Fruit Loop and a bowl of Cheerios.
But if you're gonna be a Fruit Loop, you're gonna have to be in a different bowl of Cheerios. You can't have two Fruit
Okay,
Loops.
I'll see you guys at home, I guess. I don't know. Let's see what life brings us. Hey, the forest lava. You're dead. Automatically. Look at them. Ooh. We're finally out. We're only like half of the family. We're a big family, but I love that. I love having a big family. I'll show you what I got, and I'll show you what I got.
A little haul.
So I finally made up my mind, and I chose to get this one, oil-free acne wash, the pink one. You smell it. It smells good. Smell it.
Let me see.
It smells good, mommy.
It smells good.
It smells good.
It smells good. It's grapefruit, by the way.
Smell it, y'all. Look. And I got. Okay. And I got this. Okay, Mom, I'll give it to you. She's already looking at me with that mean look.
She got the honey kind.
Yeah, the honey flavor.
I want to take that out.
Okay. Ay, caramba.
Nice, clean, fresh, curly. Look at this.
Ooh. Whoa, Mom, be
Look
careful.
at that. Look at that nice,
Ooh.
curly. You folded it. How dare you? Tell them the story. What happened?
What story?
The one where the wheels lock.
Okay, you tell them the story.
Okay, so on the car, there's like a little sign that says, "Warning shoppers." There's like a little line. Like if you take the cart beyond the yellow line, the wheels will lock back like in the front. So I did it. I tried to return it. So I just left the cart there beside the line.
Little adventurous peel.
It was like the yellow line, so I just did it because, I mean, why not?
Why not? Okay, I'm gonna close Sunday's vlog. I hope you guys had an amazing Sunday. You guys can see me. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. So, bye!